10 Amazing Tech Inventions. In today's world, technology has made a significant impact on our daily lives. From the way we communicate to the way we work, technology has brought about a revolution in every field. Here are 10 amazing tech inventions that have changed the world as we know it. Self-driving cars, autonomous vehicles are becoming more and more common. They use sensors and algorithms to navigate the road and have the potential to reduce accidents and traffic congestion. Smartphones. It's hard to imagine life without our smartphones. These devices allow us to stay connected, access information, and use various apps for work, entertainment, and productivity. 3D printing. This technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by allowing businesses to print complex designs and prototypes in-house. Augmented reality (AR) technology overlays digital information onto the real world, creating a unique and interactive experience. It has many applications, from gaming to education and healthcare. Virtual reality (VR) technology immerses users in a completely different environment, making it ideal for gaming, training, and education. Drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles have transformed various industries, including agriculture, photography, and delivery services. Wearables. Fitness trackers, smartwatches, and other wearables help people track their fitness, monitor their health, and stay connected on the go. Voice assistance devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant have become ubiquitous in many homes, making it easy to control smart devices, play music, and access information with just our voices. Blockchain. This technology is used to create secure, decentralized networks for storing and sharing data. It has potential applications in finance, healthcare, and other industries. Artificial intelligence (AI) technology is already being used in various industries, from finance to healthcare and entertainment. It has the potential to transform how we live and work in the future. These tech inventions have had a significant impact on our lives, and there's no doubt that technology will continue to change the world in the years to come.